Decoding Richard's hockey IQ, the mind of a hockey genius. Hockey, often referred to as the fastest game on earth, requires not only unrivaled physical abilities, but also a high level of intellectual prowess. Players need to make split-second decisions, anticipate their opponent's moves, and strategize their every move on the ice. While many players exhibit admirable skill and talent, there are certain individuals whose hockey intelligence sets them apart from the rest. One such player is Richard, whose hockey IQ is a phenomenon that leaves fans and experts in awe. In this video, we dive deep into Richard's hockey IQ, examining the unique qualities that make him a genius on the ice. From his ability to read the game to his strategic approach, we uncover the secrets behind Richard's success. 1. Reading the game. Richard possesses a remarkable talent for reading the game like no other. He can see the plays unfold before they happen, making split-second decisions that consistently put his team in advantageous positions. His exceptional vision and understanding of the game enable him to anticipate the movement of both his teammates and opponents, giving him a significant edge on the ice. 2. Decision-making. One of the standout features of Richard's hockey IQ is his ability to make the right decision under pressure. Whether it's choosing the optimal passing lane or deciding when to shoot, Richard's decision-making skills are unparalleled. His ability to assess the situation quickly and accurately enables him to capitalize on scoring opportunities and create ingenious plays that leave defenders and goalies guessing. 3. Strategic approach. Richard's hockey IQ is also evident in his strategic approach to the game. He understands the importance of positioning, both individually and as a team. By analyzing patterns, recognizing weaknesses in the opposing team's defense, and exploiting gaps in their coverage, Richard is able to create opportunities for himself and his teammates. He manages to control the flow of the game and dictate the pace, often turning the tides in favor of his team. 4. Adaptability. Another key aspect of Richard's hockey intelligence is his ability to adapt to different scenarios on the ice. He is not only capable of adjusting his strategy mid-game, but also possesses a versatile skill set that makes him valuable in any situation. Whether it's playing as a sniper, a playmaker, or a defensive forward, Richard seamlessly adapts his game to fit the team's needs. 5. Hockey sense. Richard's hockey IQ can also be attributed to his exceptional hockey sense. He has an innate ability to understand the game at a deeper level, predicting where the puck will go and positioning himself accordingly. This intuitive understanding allows him to stay one step ahead of his opponents, constantly outsmarting them and creating scoring opportunities. 6. Leadership. Richard's hockey IQ extends beyond his individual skills. It also translates into exceptional leadership abilities. He not only leads by example, but also possesses the ability to read the game and make quick decisions for the betterment of his team. His teammates trust him implicitly, relying on his hockey intelligence to guide them to success. In conclusion, Richard's hockey IQ sets him apart as a true genius on the ice. Through his exceptional ability to read the game, make sound decisions under pressure, adopt a strategic approach, adapt to different scenarios, and display remarkable hockey sense, Richard consistently outshines his peers. He not only brings his unique skills to the game, but also leads his team to victory through his exceptional leadership abilities. Richard's hockey IQ is a testament to the intellectual side of the game and serves as an inspiration to aspiring players and fans alike.